In this quick guide, we're diving into how to use proof to create urgency and scarcity on your site. If you've been wondering how to boost conversions and make your offers more compelling, you're in the right place. Proof is a powerful tool that helps you build trust with your website visitors, while simultaneously creating that sense of urgency and scarcity that drives action. In today's digital landscape, simply having a product on your site isn't enough. You need to compel visitors to act, and Proof does that seamlessly. By showing real-time activity and social proof on your site, you can enhance urgency and scarcity, which are two critical psychological triggers when it comes to getting those clicks and sales. To get started, let's look at the core features of Proof. One of the most effective tools it provides is the ability to show live notifications of recent purchases or signups. These notifications create an instant sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, letting your visitors know that others are already making decisions to buy or engage with your brand. This isn't just about showing numbers, it's about creating a community-driven feeling, which is key for scarcity marketing. Another feature you'll want to focus on is Proof's countdown timer functionality. If you're running promotions or time-sensitive offers, showing a countdown timer can have a significant impact on conversions. When visitors see that the deal is expiring soon, it triggers a sense of urgency that can push them over the edge into making a purchase. This is particularly powerful in situations where your product is perceived as exclusive or limited, such as limited stock offers or flash sales. And let's talk about targeting. Proof allows you to customize who sees these notifications based on various conditions like location, behavior, or even how long they've been on your site. This targeted approach means that you're not just throwing out random urgency signals, you're using specific data to create the most relevant sense of urgency for each individual visitor. A really effective use of scarcity is showing limited availability on a product page. With Proof, you can show how many units are left in stock or how many people are currently viewing a particular product. This is a great way to tap into the psychology of scarcity and social proof, because when visitors see that a product is nearly sold out, they're far more likely to buy. It's all about leveraging the power of numbers and the concept of someone else might beat me to it. Proof can also help in creating urgency by showing when a product has recently been sold out. A last unit sold feature on the product page can instantly signal to visitors that they need to act fast to avoid missing out. This is especially effective for high-ticket items or popular products that have a natural urgency built into their availability. Now, how do you get started with Proof? It's simple. First, you can grab the software using the exclusive link in the description below, which will give you full access to a free trial. And as a bonus, you'll get extra features to help you ramp up your urgency and scarcity tactics. Make sure you're targeting the right audience at the right time. You don't want to overwhelm your visitors with too many notifications or countdown timers, but when used strategically, Proof will enhance the urgency on your site without feeling too pushy. You'll also want to track and test your campaigns to see what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing different notifications or countdown strategies can help fine-tune the level of urgency and scarcity that works best for your business. By using Proof to create urgency and scarcity, you're essentially tapping into two of the most powerful psychological triggers that drive purchasing decisions. When used correctly, these tactics will not only increase your conversions, but also help you build trust with your customers. Remember, the software comes with an exclusive free trial for you to experiment with everything we've covered today. Just click the link in the description below to get started. This is your opportunity to see real results with Proof and start driving more sales and engagement on your site today. Don't wait. Take advantage of that free trial and the bonuses we've arranged, and see how quickly you can transform your online store's performance.